Hello, I'm Miss Ewing and I'm one of the language teachers here at Harris Academy Rainham. At our school, we offer 4 different languages, and in Year 7, we ask you to decide which one you would like to continue learning. I'm going to be talking about this today. But first of all, why do we learn languages? Well, language learning is the most direct way to connect with another culture. This is great for broadening our horizons and getting a better understanding of the world around us. Learning a language also boosts our confidence and helps us become more open-minded. Learning a language is also great for your brain. It improves your memory, your cognition, and your critical thinking skills. Having a language GCSE looks really impressive on applications, and learning a language increases your employability. Also, learning a language gives you options for future travel abroad. What I'm going to do now is talk through each of the languages that we learn here at school and then explain to you how you can make your choice. First of all, we'll start with Spanish. If you decide to continue with Spanish in Year 8, you will study the following topics: introducing yourself and other people in Spanish, Spanish numbers and dates, and being able to describe your school and your daily routine in Spanish. You will also learn about different countries that speak Spanish and the cities in them, as well as different aspects of Spanish grammar, such as prepositions, definite articles, prefixes and suffixes, adjectives, and verb tenses. Assessment in Spanish looks very similar to any other school subject, really, with regular knowledge tests. These knowledge tests will assess you on the key skills of reading Spanish, writing in Spanish, listening to Spanish, Spanish grammar, and speaking Spanish. Our next language is French. If you continue with French in Year 8, you will study how to introduce yourself and other people in French, French numbers and dates, and being able to describe your school and your daily routine. You will also learn about French-speaking countries and the cities in them, as well as the following aspects of French grammar, such as prepositions, definite articles, prefixes and suffixes, adjectives, and verb tenses. Again, assessment in French looks very similar, with regular knowledge tests focused on the skills of reading in French, writing French, listening in French, French grammar, and speaking French as well. The last modern language we offer is German, and this is what you will learn if you continue with German in Year 8. You will study the following topics: introducing yourself and other people in German, numbers and dates in German, and being able to describe your school and your daily routine in German. You will also learn about different German-speaking countries and the cities in them. You will learn the following aspects of German grammar, like prepositions, definite articles, prefixes and suffixes, adjectives, and verb tenses. You will be assessed in German by regular knowledge tests, which will assess the key skills of reading German, writing, listening, grammar, and speaking. The final language we offer is Latin, and if you continue with Latin in Year 8, you will study what the city of ancient Rome was like, Roman chariot racing, Roman religion, the Roman baths, slavery in ancient Rome, and what London was like in the Roman times. You will also learn about the following aspects of Latin grammar, such as verb endings, noun endings, infinitive verbs, and verb tenses. Assessment looks a little bit different in Latin. We do have regular knowledge tests, but you will be assessed on the key skills of translating from Latin into English and some aspects of Roman civilization as well. When it comes to making your decision, you need to think about what you want to do. Don't choose something just because your friends are doing it. Make sure it's something you want to do. Make sure it's the language you enjoy the most, because if you enjoy something, you're more likely to succeed at it. If you're considering a modern language, think about the speaking element. Which language do you enjoy speaking? And of course, consider your knowledge test results as well. If you do have any questions about this, do get in touch with one of the language teachers at school. When you're making your decision, you'll be doing it on a Microsoft Forms quiz, and you will have a question that looks like this. You will now rank the languages in order of preference. Number 1 is the language you would most like to learn, and number 4 is the language you would least like to learn. We ask you to rank each language in this way because although we want to give you number 1, that's not always possible. So do consider what you would rank the other languages as well. This form will be due in by Friday the 11th of March, so if you do have any questions, please get in touch with us before then. Thank you very much.